morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss question answer of this chapter number 4, golden plate. Those students who have not watched my explanation of this chapter, go through my channel and there you will get a video that I have done. I have given explanation of this chapter. So let's get started from the question answer. Well, exercise A, write T for true and F for false statement. The salesman sold jewels made of copper. Well, it is not made of copper, it is made of gold. As you can see here, it was made of gold. So it is false. Second question, the grandmother did not have money to buy jewels. Yes, it is true because here in this line you can see the girl was disappointed. Here grandma replied, honey, we don't have any money to buy even proper food. So then how can I buy you a bracelet? So it is true. The little girl wanted a jewel for himself. Well, this is also true because the girl wanted to buy it, so she went to her grandma and asked her for money. Now next last question, the plate was made of gold. Well, this is also true because here we can see plate is made of gold. True. Govind denied to buy the plate. Yes, it is true because when he came to know that the plate was made of gold, he got greedy and thought to himself that he could deceive that old lady could get the plate by paying list. So we have done exercise A. Now let's move to the exercise B. Answer the following question. Well, question number 1. What did the two salesmen decide on coming to the town? So here in the first paragraph, second line, here we can see when they came to the town, they decided that one will sell in one part of the town and other will sell in another part. I have written also answer in my own language. The two salesmen decided that one will sell handmade jewels in one part of the town and other will sell in another part. Question number 2. Who came across the golden plate? Why? Why did he refuse it? Well, after that, first Murli came inside her house and see their condition, but when he came to know that they were very poor, he started responding rudely. But in exchange of the plate, when he examined the plate, blackish plate, then he found out that he was made of gold. Now he got greedy and thought to himself that he could deceive that old lady and could get the plate by paying minimum amount of money. So Murli came across the golden plate first, but he got greedy and thought to himself that he could deceive that old lady and could get the plate by paying least. Last question, what happened when Govind came across the golden plate? Well, this answer I have written. When Govind came across the golden plate first, he replied to grandma that all his goods and money altogether are not worth for this plate because the plate was very costly. And also though, so after knowing that, the old woman was completely shocked, but after seeing Govind honest reply, she said, you will keep it if you want to, if you can offer in exchange for this plate. So that is the answer of the question. All three questions I have given answer. Hope it will be beneficial for you. So next class we will start new chapter. We have completed chapter number 4, and this chapter tells us about the value honesty, that we should always be honest, never ever become greedy person, because greediness makes a person impatient, selfish, and always think about himself. So we should not never ever become greedy person. Always be honest and always be loyal. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.